have all these outlets, 1 and 2. There is a minimum distance here by code on kitchen. Kitchen requires more outlets than a regular bedroom. But then we have the countertop, and then we have those outlets above the countertop. Then another outlet. Here is where the stove goes. Beautiful stove with the fan. If you come here, the fan for the range, and we have outlet. Then in this section we have the refrigerator. The refrigerator is right here. This is where the refrigerator is, and you can see that's why we have that outlet over here for the refrigerator. And this is cold and hot water, the water for the sink. But you see what this is? That's for the garbage disposal and for the dishwasher. This is how many lights we have in the master bathroom. A lot. No, don't get inside those.
That is like kind of almost done.
Look at all the insulation up here. They're working on the HVAC, so you can see all the ducting. All those
are cotton candy?
No, the silver big pipes or big ducts.
Oh, the what's it called? Tinfoil?
Like tinfoil. That is.
This is like the thing to the attic.
Yeah, and that is. Be careful. Watch your step here. That's. I don't think it's working. Try. Give it a try. You wanna use it? Would you give me light with your phone here so I can get more light on this? You can see the addition. This one's existing floor here. This is the addition to make the walk-in closet bigger. So all this is a walk-in closet.
I thought that was done like a second bedroom.
It's as big as a second bedroom, right? But it's not. It's a walk-in closet. And then we go here.
Living in a closet so big. That looks like a bathroom.
Yeah, this.
Wait, there's a bathroom in a closet?
You come inside, there's a closet on one side and the bathroom here.
Okay, that's handy. Because there can be clothes. The bathroom's after taking a shower, you can just get your clothes.
Yeah, and this is a steam shower. So, this
like a sauna?
Yeah, like a sauna. You can use it as a sauna or you can use it as a shower only.
So I imagine this is like, so now imagine it like at Lucas's house here. And just, here's like tile, shower, glass. So you can imagine like that. There's some like extra stuff here and here, and then here's the like closet for like
No, actually here is this.
No, over here.
Oh, on the other side, yeah. Been here for a while. Welcome in. Oh, the sheetrock. Look, what a big difference. And then over here is the fan or the exhaust for the stove that will be right there. And the electrical. I'm gonna close this door because I want to show you how cool this looks. So they already put sheetrock there. There's gonna be more sheetrock there, and this is a double pocket door that takes you to the office. Now the office has all this sheetrock. You can feel, if you were here, you could feel the sound barrier. It's very soundproof. And all our can lights for the kitchen. And that is really important because those are structural members that the engineer had. On the other side, we have a sheer wall. And then, oh, the windows are here. Those are the windows that by mistake got removed. But they arrived, so they're right here. We have one window. the fireplace. I think they decided to keep it on that location, which is okay. I think it looks really nice. And then we have all the ceiling is covered. Remember that we had over here all the wiring for electrical. So we have all this sheetrock, and we have that's the new post that the engineer calculated so we can support this big span, because we push up the existing beam that we had over here. We have to push it up. So here we are. The access to the attic got moved here, and we have the intake for the HVAC. And here we have the laundry area, the stackable laundry area. Cool. There's some water there. I think they were testing the plumbing. And then we have here the master bedroom. We're gonna landscape all that backyard. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be her edible / kitchen garden, since the kitchen is right here behind, like if I show you. There is gonna be a bar here where people can sit, and these windows open completely so you can serve from the kitchen to outside. Plus you have access outside from there. Different vibe now, huh? Feels nice. Well, I can't open here yet because we need to keep this sealed and protected. They're gonna start stucco. So this is the wire that you need to install after you put the waterproof, the barrier. You have this, and then you apply the stucco. It's gonna have a few layers of stucco. And you see the thickness? This is how it is when you look at that. This is the thickness of the stucco.